Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm Mason Love, and that is Brendan over there. Trying to get it to set up right there. Okay, we've got the GoPro, we've got the hose, and we have the buckets. Let's do it.
Look over there. This is not the ALCS bucket challenge. I think yes, it's hot and it's been in the daylight for like 4 hours. So yeah, let's take it one step further. Whoa. Hot bucket challenge. Okay, Brendan. What? You're gonna do it or myself. Okay. What? Okay. Right now. Okay, that's one. Oh, that one was cold. Yeah, that one's cold. Last bucket. Oh, it was cold again. You ready now? Okay, now you can just spray me with the hose. Yeah. Okay. Please get ready. Get set. Go! Oh, let's put it on. Shower, shall we? Oh no. La 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 la. Hey, that one wasn't so bad. Well, this one's just cold. Okay, Brendan, now your turn. Okay. Let's fill this bucket up. Cold. There's a bunch of watermarks. Where? I'm gonna go for a screen. I'm just gonna put it right there. Yeah. Hold it. Thank you. Just do shower. That's what I was doing. No, you weren't. Okay. Let's try to do some unique thing. Okay. No, that's not a shower. I can't even see your GoPro. Ah! Oh my God! Brendan just dumped you guys out. Oh, Brendan, okay. Here goes. Here goes nothing. Okay, now I'm gonna do it to no stream. Is this stream? Yeah, stream. Is that it? Yes, it's getting you. It's going over it. Yes.